Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the hotspot control quickly. You need to be the admin or have the password. Once done, unlock the phone, tablet, or router page and connect your management device to the same hotspot. This allows you to query live status. Make sure to note the hotspot model and firmware version because menus change. Now, navigate to Settings or the Router Web UI. This is the gateway to device lists, DHCP leases, and logs that reveal connected clients. You now find the client list area. On phones, it might be tethering. On routers, it's status or attached devices. Once there, read the table. Device name, IP, MAC address, lease time. These fields explain who's on the network. If names are generic, cross-reference MAC prefixes to identify vendors, or view the ARP table and DHCP leases for timestamps. If a mobile UI obfuscates details, open the router's web UI at the local IP. You finish by verifying each listed client, ping or connect to confirm identity, and then remove or block any unknown MAC addresses. If you see suspicious devices, change the hotspot password immediately and upgrade security to WPA2 or WPA3. Restart the hotspot so changes apply. If issues persist, update firmware, reduce the DHCP pool, and enable client isolation. One troubleshooting tip: if a device doesn't disappear, reboot both the hotspot and the device. Stale ARP entries can falsely show connections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.